Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dreamy dark color grading effects in InShot. It's super easy and will give your video the cinematic smoothie vibe. Okay, let's get started. First, just open InShot and then import the video that you want to edit. Now just tap on the video and then go to filters. And then go to moody. And then choose moody one, this one. Just tap on it. And then check mark. And then go to adjust. And then just tweak the settings to your preference. But here's my recommendations: just bring down the brightness or the lightness like this. Just make it a little, maybe like this. And then lower the contrast, maybe like this. And then just add some blue tint or shift the temperature slightly to the cooler sides. Just go to warm and then make it has a blue tint. Maybe like this. I will lower it to the max like this. And then I will adjust the tint. Maybe like this. And then I will adjust the situations. I will lower it a little like this. And then I will go to shadow. Maybe like this. And then sharpen. I will make it like this. Just feel free to tweak this setting. Just play around until it looks dark but still clear with a nice bluish touch. I will make my video like this. Now just head over to the effects and then choose style. This one, just tap on it and then choose blur, this one, and then just push the blur intensity all the way to maximum like this and adjust the durations like this. And once you're done, just export the blurred video and then go back to your projects and delete all the effects from your clips. Just delete it and then now import the blurred video that you just exported and make it as an overlay or PIP. Just tap on PIP and then import your video, your blurred video like this, and then just make it fit to the original clips like this. And then go to blend and choose overlay and adjust the intensity as you like so it will blend smoothly. Maybe I will adjust it like this. This will create that soft dreamy glow effects. So when you're done, just check mark like this. Next, just tap on effect again and then just go to stylist, this one, and then choose dreamy and then just turn the intensity all the way up like this and adjust the durations and then go to objects and just choose all to apply the dreamy effects across the whole clips like this. And here's the final result. Like this, you now have a cinematic dreamy dark color gradings in InShot. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.